Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, improving vision with superfoods, specifically how certain foods can impact our eye health dramatically. We'll start by exploring how carrots can be beneficial for your eyes.
That sounds interesting. I always hear people say that eating carrots will give you great night vision. Is there any truth to that?
Absolutely, Sarah. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which is a type of vitamin A that plays a crucial role in vision. It helps the retina and other parts of the eye to function smoothly.
How does beta carotene work in the eye?
Beta-carotene is converted by the body into vitamin A, which is essential for producing rhodopsin. Rhodopsin is a pigment in your eyes that allows you to see in low-light conditions. Without sufficient vitamin A, people can experience night blindness, where they have difficulty seeing in dim light or at night.
So, eating carrots helps prevent night blindness?
Exactly. Plus, vitamin A also helps to protect the cornea, which is the outer covering of your eye. A healthy cornea is vital for clear vision. But it's important to remember that while carrots support good vision, they don't give you superhuman sight or correct vision impairments on their own.
I see, so it's more about maintaining good eye health rather than correcting existing conditions.
Correct. Think of it as preventive maintenance. By incorporating carrots and other foods rich in vitamin A into your diet, you're taking steps to maintain your vision and prevent issues that might arise from deficiencies.
That's really insightful. And are there any other benefits of eating carrots?
Certainly. Carrots are not only good for your eyes but also for your overall health. They're low in calories, high in dietary fiber, and loaded with antioxidants. These benefits can contribute to better digestion, a lower risk of chronic diseases, and improved skin health due to the antioxidant properties.
Wow, carrots pack a punch. I'll definitely try to include more carrots in my meals.
That's a great idea, Sarah. They're versatile too, great in salads, soups, or just as a snack. Plus, they're a tasty way to boost your nutrient intake.
Thanks, Dr. Mike. This makes me look at carrots in a whole new way.
Now let's turn our attention to another group of superfoods that are fantastic for your eyes: leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens.
I've heard about these being good for health, but how do they specifically help with eye health?
These greens are packed with two vital antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin. They play a crucial role in eye health by absorbing damaging light that enters the eye. Think of them as natural sunglasses, providing a form of light filtering that protects the eyes from harmful ultraviolet rays.
That sounds powerful. How exactly do these antioxidants work in our eyes?
Lutein and zeaxanthin are concentrated in the macula, which is a part of the retina responsible for central vision. They help protect the eyes from high-energy light rays, known as blue light. This protection helps maintain healthy cells and reduce the risk of light-induced oxidative damage that can lead to conditions like macular degeneration.
So, by eating more leafy greens, can we reduce the risk of developing eye diseases as we age?
Exactly. Regular intake of these antioxidants has been linked to a lower risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, which are among the leading causes of vision impairment and blindness in older adults.
Are there any other benefits of lutein and zeaxanthin?
Yes, studies have shown that these antioxidants not only protect the eyes but also contribute to brain health. There's evidence suggesting that lutein and zeaxanthin can enhance cognitive function and protect neural tissues just like they protect tissues in the eye.
That's amazing. It seems like a little green in our diet goes a long way. How can we incorporate more of these greens into our meals?
Adding leafy greens to your diet can be simple. You can start with a smoothie in the morning, mixing kale or spinach with fruits like bananas or apples. For lunch or dinner, salads, soups, and even sandwiches can include spinach or kale. It's about making small changes that can lead to big benefits for your eyes and overall health.
Great tips, Dr. Mike. I'll definitely start adding more greens to my meals. It sounds like an easy and tasty way to boost my eye health.
Moving on to our next superfood for eye health, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are incredibly beneficial for the eyes.
Omega 3s are often mentioned in the context of heart health, but how do they help our eyes?
Omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA, are a major structural component of the retina, where they play a key role in maintaining cell health. DHA helps maintain the integrity of the nervous system, including the retina, and promotes proper visual development and retinal function.
What kind of benefits can someone expect from including omega 3s in their diet regarding eye health?
Regular consumption of omega-3 rich fish can help prevent macular degeneration, which is a leading cause of vision impairment and blindness. There's also strong evidence that omega-3s can help reduce the risk of dry eye syndrome, a common condition where your tears don't provide enough lubrication for your eyes.
That's important, especially with how much time we spend in front of screens. How often should we be eating these types of fish to get the benefits?
Incorporating fatty fish into your diet 2 to 3 times a week can help you meet your body's needs for omega-3 fatty acids. It's a practical goal that aligns well with general dietary recommendations for fish intake, balancing benefits and concerns about things like mercury exposure.
Are there other ways to get omega 3s if someone doesn't like fish or is vegetarian?
Absolutely, Sarah. For those who don't consume fish, sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts are good alternatives. Algal oil supplements are another vegan-friendly source of DHA that can help maintain eye health.
It's great to know there are options for everyone. I'll have to look into some recipes that include these ingredients.
Definitely. And remember, it's about consistency and variety in your diet. Whether through seafood or supplements, getting enough omega-3s can make a significant difference in maintaining healthy vision and overall well-being. Let's talk about another fantastic food for eye health, sweet potatoes. They are not only delicious but also packed with vision-boosting nutrients, especially beta-carotene like carrots and vitamin E.
Sweet potatoes as a superfood for eyes? How do those nutrients help?
Sweet potatoes are a rich source of beta-carotene, which, as we discussed earlier, is converted into vitamin A in the body. This nutrient is vital for maintaining good vision and eye health, preventing conditions like night blindness and dry eyes. Additionally, the vitamin E found in sweet potatoes is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from oxidative stress, which can damage cells in the eyes.
That sounds impressive. Is there a specific way that vitamin E benefits the eyes?
Yes, vitamin E is particularly good at protecting eye tissues from free radicals, which can break down healthy tissue over time. This protection can help prevent the progression of age-related macular degeneration and cataract formation, which are among the most common causes of vision impairment and blindness in older adults.
So, eating sweet potatoes can help reduce the risk of these age-related eye diseases?
Exactly, Sarah. Including sweet potatoes in your diet provides these essential nutrients, which support eye health and can help delay or prevent the onset of serious eye conditions.
I'm curious about how to best prepare sweet potatoes to retain these nutrients. Any tips?
Great question. Roasting or baking sweet potatoes can enhance their flavor while preserving the beta-carotene and vitamin E. It's best to avoid boiling them, as it can lead to the loss of some vitamins. Also, adding a small amount of fat like olive oil or a pat of butter can help increase the absorption of beta-carotene.
That makes sense. I'll have to try adding sweet potatoes to more meals. They seem like a simple addition with significant benefits.
Absolutely. They're versatile and can be included in many dishes, from breakfast hashes to dinner-side dishes. Their natural sweetness also makes them a hit in both savory and sweet recipes. Adding them into your diet is an enjoyable way to boost your nutrient intake for better eye health. To wrap up our discussion on superfoods for eye health, let's talk about eggs, a common kitchen staple that packs a lot of benefits for eye health.
I know eggs are nutritious, but how do they specifically help with vision?
Eggs are an excellent source of lutein and zeaxanthin, which we discussed earlier with leafy greens. These antioxidants are crucial for protecting the eyes from harmful light exposure. Additionally, eggs provide significant amounts of vitamin C and E, as well as zinc, which all contribute to eye health.
How do these nutrients work together for our eyes?
This combination of nutrients helps enhance the protective effects against oxidative stress in the retina and lens of the eye. For example, vitamin C and E work synergistically to regenerate other antioxidants within the body, while zinc helps transport vitamin A from the liver to the retina to produce melanin, a protective pigment in the eyes.
That's quite a synergy. How often should we include eggs in our diet to reap these benefits?
Eating eggs regularly, such as several times a week, can help maintain the levels of these crucial nutrients in your body. They're easy to include in meals throughout the day, whether in omelets, sandwiches, or salads.
Are there any considerations to keep in mind with consuming eggs, especially concerning cholesterol?
It's a good question. While eggs do contain cholesterol, recent studies have shown that for most people, eating eggs doesn't significantly impact the blood cholesterol levels or increase the risk of heart disease. Of course, it's always important to consider individual health conditions and dietary needs, so consulting with a healthcare provider is a good idea if you have concerns.
Got it. I'll keep that in mind. Eggs really do seem like a superfood for the eyes.
They certainly are. By incorporating eggs into a balanced diet, you can support not only eye health but overall health. Plus, they're affordable and widely available, which makes them an excellent choice for daily nutrition.
Thanks, Dr. Mike. This discussion has been incredibly informative. I feel better equipped to take care of my eye health with these superfoods.
I'm glad to hear that, Sarah. Remember, maintaining a varied diet rich in these superfoods can help keep your eyes healthy and function well. It's one of the simplest yet most effective ways to protect your vision as you age.